Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna be fixing the rust in the bed of the truck. I've already done it at this point, but figured I'd go ahead and make the intro since I didn't do it the other day when I started all this. So, yep, here you go. No going back now, buddy. Yeah. Okay, and I was sanding and yeah, this truck just keeps on getting better by the day. Okay, so somebody has already thought of this before me. Oh yeah. Should be able to do that. So yeah, that sucks, but it's all good. We'll get it figured out one way or another.
Yeah, jigsaw? Or not jigsaw. Yeah.
Jigsaw. Feel this transition.
Holy shit. I wouldn't get much higher than that.
So I guess like up that, then right here, up.
That like, that's a real straight line right there.
Yeah, that's about what I wanted. Hit me up for body work.
Just leave it on there like that.
New fender. So right now, got my tape lines put out. I did a little bit in, so I have some room to work with, but let's get to it. Alright, so right here, got this all lined up. Got this side lined up. So now we're gonna pull all the tape off, grind everything down to bare metal, and start welding. Alright, now it's time to weld these panels in. So hope it goes good. This fucking welding helmet's getting on my nerves. Why is it flexible?
This is,
Nice.
this. Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
I blew through it.
You have to turn the heat down.
I did.
I would turn it down a lot more. Oh shit.
What?
We had a fire.
Grass
Just-
on fire?
Yeah, the grass is just sitting there on fire.
All right, now we're about to hit it with the DA sander. All right, so fast forward, got all this sanded down, wiped down with acetone. Now we're gonna throw some body filler in, and yeah, then we'll have to wait and then sand that off. So right now, just mixing up the Bondo, filler, whatever you call it.
Yeah, there you go. Smear it.
All right, so as you can see, we got some Bondo laid down. Right here, we still got a little crease, but I'm gonna sand it, add some more as needed, and should be good. So now we're just sanding down some of the Bondo, then we're gonna add some more All right, going back with a little more Bondo.
Spread that out as evenly as possible.
You know what you sound like right now? That guy off of TikTok that goes, wow, really appreciate it.
Wow, I really appreciate it. Oh, the one where he's asking for, can you turn the blender on? Thank you. And then it's, wow.
Really
nice.
appreciate the honesty.
Yeah.
All right, so finished up the Bondo. I'm gonna let that dry overnight, hit it with some primer so it doesn't rust overnight, but be back tomorrow. All right, and we're back next day. Bondo's all dry, primer's all dry. So now we're just gonna get all this sanded down, and hopefully we don't have to add much more Bondo. I think I'm gonna have to add a little more right here, but other than that, I think everything else should be good. So right now, just adding some more Bondo. Again, probably not the right way to do this, but at this point, I'm ready to be done with this. And yeah, we still just got a lot of high and low spots. All right, so got some more Bondo put on here after I sanded it off. Hoping that this will be the last bit I have to add. I'm gonna sand it down, try and get it smooth. Then hopefully primer it. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, so this YouTube video keeps on getting delayed by weather and lack of knowledge, but I'm gonna get this video out eventually. I'm probably gonna go ahead and post a TikTok on it. Just that I got this far, and yeah, it's not gonna get finished today like I thought it was, but yeah, catch back up with y'all when the snow is gone. All right, so as you can see, got some more body filler. Just laid a lot down this time, so I ain't got to keep putting a little bit, then taking more off. Just put a bunch at once, take it all off at once, be done after this, hopefully. So catch up with y'all when I start sanding again. All right, now that we got that sanded down, now I'm just gonna pull this tape off, even though it keeps coming off in pieces for some odd reason. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, like that's very annoying, because it's gonna take me 30 minutes just to get this shit off. So that's great, but it's okay. All right, I'm gonna give this about 15 to 20 minutes to dry. Then we'll hit it with some base coat. All right, so now we should be good to sand this down, hit it with a base coat, and hope for the best. So I'm gonna get to that. All right, and we are ready for our base coat. So let's go ahead and lay this down. Hope it goes good. All right, take two. All right. Okay, here we go with one coat of base coat. Pretty good match, I think. Looks pretty good. Definitely gonna need a buff though, compared to the old paint, but yeah, so far so good. Still can see a little bit of primer, so got a couple coats left, and then should be good for some clear coat. All right, now that that's been drying for a little bit, now we're gonna hit it with this clear coat right here, and should be done with the painting part. Okay, so here it is. Yes, I know there's some waves in it. It's definitely not perfect, like I said it wouldn't be. But yeah, here's the finished product. Update y'all probably tomorrow with some videos in the light, because it's pretty dark out here. So yeah, catch up with y'all tomorrow. So here it is the next day in daylight. I mean, definitely has waves in it, obviously, but for my first time ever doing body work, not that bad. And I think it'll look even better once I polish it and blend it with the rest. But yeah, overall, not too bad. All right, so a couple days later, as you see, got a bunch of snow, but bodywork's done. I do think that I'm gonna be taking this thing to Mako and getting them to paint the bed or paint the whole truck. One of the two. Either way, stay in the same color. I really like this color. But I mean, it's not that bad. But I'd rather just go ahead and get it done professionally, because it's not terrible, but you can't really tell with all the salt on it. But it's got a lot of waves right here. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Probably not the greatest commentary throughout the video, I noticed while I was editing, but sorry, still new to this, so try to do better in the next video. So thanks for watching.